Welcome to my Wednesday walkthroughs video series where I'm going to take you on job site tours every single Wednesday. I hope you enjoy the video. All right. We got the flooring going in. These guys had to put a pretty thick layer of concrete down to level this floor. That's what they're using. Putting that down first. Nice tile. Gonna do an inset baseboard. That's why the drywall's cut up. We're gonna use a shadow reveal bead, and the baseboard's gonna be flush with the wall. And there's gonna be a reveal right at the top. Bedrooms are getting hardwood. This is all going to be tile throughout here. Everything's been skim coated. Some fire sprinkler flush mounts have been added, so we've got some repairs and texture matching to do there. In the final room of any drywall finishing, added the corner bead. Then we're going to load our stuff up and get out of the flooring people's way. Then come back and do the inset baseboards and the reveal bead, shadow reveal bead. There's a duct in there. We built that soffit around the fire sprinkler. Piping that comes out over here for the coverage of the room. It's the condo, 5th floor. After this room's been skim coated. There's the remainder of our stuff. Get that out of here today. So we'll see you. And if you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.